Hey guys, for this video, I'll be doing an overall review of the Sweet Crispy overbed table that I just got. So I'm going to show you everything I like about it and then one thing that I think could be improved. So first of all, I love the quality of the construction. It feels really nice. It feels well built. It was easy to assemble. It has nice metal legs and feet on here that feel nice. I love the fact that you can raise it and lower it. So this right here is all the way down. Let me spin it so you can see. If I, there's a button here on the end to that, so that's to raise it and lower it. So it raises really easy. You can see I'll just push the button up and it raises all the way up here, which is really tall. I didn't expect it to be that high, so I really like that. And then to lower it again, of course, just push the button, put some pressure on it to slide it down like that. So it's really nice. It has a nice shape, compact still, but with enough space to work on it. The one thing that I want to point out that I think could be improved, I'll pick it up. It's pretty light still, so you can see these casters on the bottom here. It's nice to have them, but they are kind of small, so I don't think they would work great on carpet. They don't swivel the smoothest, but to me, that's not a big deal. It's just the one thing that I think could be improved if the company were to do anything to this. But I think considering everything that you get for the price, it's an excellent value, and I'm definitely happy with the purchase, and I would for sure buy it again.